Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am using makeup products that I just forgot to use. I know Andrea does videos like this. I think she calls them like shop my stash or shopping my makeup collection. Basically, if you guys have seen all of the declutter videos that I've done, I always find some type of product that I'm like, did I even use you, to know if I want to declutter you. So I figured, I'd do one video testing out all those products to see if I actually like them and if I've been wasting time by not trying them. So if you guys want to see how that goes, then so first up, I've got this Prime Beauty Island Gal palette. Just forgot to ever open it, and this is what it looks like inside. And then I also have the first Tammy Clarke Makeup Revolution palette. I know I bought this for a specific video, and then I guess I just never ended up doing it. Maybe I bought it to review. I don't know. But this is what it looks like on the inside. So we're going to come up with something using the both of them. Okay, let's take this pink shade right here and apply that here. And then take the shade right next to it in my crease. Keep that in there. Okay, that shade wasn't as deep enough for what I'm going for here, so I'm going to use this purple shade here on top of it. Now jumping into this palette, I'm going to take Dance Hall as my first lid color. If you don't know about shimmers, see if it shims. Ooh, it feels nice. I told you guys that if it feels nice in the pan, it's usually going to wear nice, but let's see. Okay, took a little build up, but we got there. I added this pink shade Dominicana on top of it just because I wanted it to be a little bit more pink than this purple pink that Dance Hall is. I'm going to use of course I had to use this shade. It's called Sac Plus. I mean, come on. If you guys didn't know, if you're new to my channel, I am Haitian, so of course I have to use this blue shade. All right, don't embarrass me. I really wasn't trying to have to use my finger, but I'm gonna have to do it for Sac Plus. I just have to. And I'm gonna switch back over to this palette and use this dark purple shade on my outer corner. That dark purple wasn't doing what I needed it to do, so I threw this dark blue on top of it. This is the Farce liquid powder. I feel like I've tried a majority of the Farce droppers. I don't know why I'm sitting on this one, but I don't remember what this one is supposed to do. Oil balancing serum with French pink clay. Let's just see how this goes. It also has a weird texture. If it legit feels like water running down your face. So it's like you just swiped, you get patted in. I guess we're going to find out. This is how it's drying on my face. Now I'm thinking, did I try this before? Because I feel like I've been through this already, or was it some other product? But either way, I'm sure there is some type of learning curve to this, or maybe this is supposed to happen. If you guys can't really see, it's leaving little white traces on my face, but it's a liquid to powder finish, oil to powder, I don't remember, but we're just gonna keep moving. Okay, this is the NYX Conceal Correct Contour palette. I bought this for the color correcting shade, so I'm gonna do a little bit of that around my mouth area. Okay, the lesson from this video is going to be a little goes a long way. I feel like these things keep trying me in this video, and I'm just over here like, you know what? I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna make the best out of what I'm working with today, whether Satan likes it or not. Okay. So I would probably need a deeper color for color correcting, more salmon as opposed to straight up orange. But for it being a cream product, that's the type of cream that my oily skin needs. And I can't do the cream where it's sliding off my face in an hour. It's cream, but it's not dry cream, but you know, she's got a little stiffness to her. It's hard to describe unless you have the actual palette, but like that's the type of cream that I need for my oily skin. For foundation, I've got two here, and I don't actually want to do a foundation hunt on them. So these are the Revlon, this is the Candid Natural Finish in the shade 550. I don't know about these shades. And this is the shade, this is the Candid Glow Moisture Glow Anti-Pollution Foundation, again in the shade 550. At this point, I feel like I'd probably just try whichever one looks darker, but that's not, they might be the same shade. Well, this should be fun. It's gonna be one of those type of videos, but you know, let's just get through it, okay? You know, well, let's just blend it up. See, when it already looks too light, don't use a lot and just rely on your actual skin coming through, skin tone. Now, for the life of me, I cannot remember what I bought this for. I know I bought it for some type of video. I can't remember what that video was for or why I didn't end up using it. But this is the MAC Powder Blush. I'm gonna use this as a contour. It looks a little reddish. I'm gonna use this as a contour as soon as I find a brush. Not mad at it. See, again, everything's got me a little nervous, and then I tried it out and I'm like, look, had me in the first half, we come through. Now this I know I bought to review with the collab palettes that Patricia came out with, but it just didn't come in time. So I did pick up her bronzer palette. So I'm gonna use the bronzer shade, which also is not, well, the contour shade is, I feel, warmer than the bronzer shade, but and then probably use this as, ooh, yeah, I'll probably use this as a blush shade too. So beginning of the year, I did an Ulta haul, and I bought this Milani Make It Last Matte Charcoal Setting Spray, and then I never used it. So directions, I'm sure shake well before use. Okay. What have you missed? Like, it's pretty gentle. Okay, so let's smell. That is it for my face. I'm not really sure I can say anything that I tried in this video really wowed me. Like, nothing has me over here thinking, why have I not been using you? Maybe the setting spray. But other than that, the eyeshadow palettes, I thought they were both nice, just nice. They're both eyeshadow palettes where you're gonna have to use your finger for the shimmer, or you know, like wet your brush, stuff like that, for the shimmers, just to get the best payoff. The primer, I'll have to see how like everything wears on top of it for the rest of the day. But it gives that, you know how people powder their face before they put on complexion products, like that's what it's giving me. So we'll see if like it actually helps with that. And it's supposed to be like an oil balancing type of primer as well. So we'll see. The foundation, I don't know. I'm not really feeling it. I don't know. I guess I'll keep you updated on that. The contour bronzer combination, it can get real serious. I mean, if you're looking for them, like they'll work on deeper complexions, but just, you know, go in very light handed, because I don't really like, you know, that deep. I want it to be a deep contour, but I don't like putting that much contour product on my face, if that makes sense. Same thing with bronzer. You know, I want to be very light, borderline, like, did you? You know, I want that just a natural type of contour bronzer look. So just know they are very pigmented. I guess those are also, you know, like a wow type of products, but that MAC one, like that's an OG. Like that's what everyone was using before some of these brands started putting out actual, you know, contour and bronzer type products. So I'm not surprised about that. I'm actually not surprised about the Makeup Revolution one, because I don't know like what is in the air with Makeup Revolution, but they've launched a whole bunch of complexion products, especially bronzer contour things, and all of them are hitting the mark. Okay, Makeup Revolution, let me find out. And what else did I try? Oh, the setting spray. The setting spray, it has a very nice finish. I think it's supposed to also help with keeping your face matte, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. What else did I see? Look, I already forgot what I tried because, you know, I'm just kind of like for everything. However, I will say that these are my favorite type of shimmers. Even though I am someone who does not like using their fingers to apply makeup, these are my favorite type of shimmers when you have to, because when you do use your finger, the finish that those type of shimmers give to your eyes, it's like a really cool reflective type of thing. It just looks like wet, shimmery goodness on your eyes. That's the best we're gonna get. Okay, so that's, at least there's that, you know, like you start turning your head, looking at the shimmers, you're like, okay, I see me. Okay, I see me. But yeah, that is it for my face. You know, I think it's cool to go back into your collection and see things that you purchased, and if you want, you're just like, why did I purchase this? And then you use it and you're like, okay, well, I had a reason to purchase it. Or you're like, oh, maybe I could have saved the $20 there. So yeah, that is it for this video. I still have a couple declutters to do, so I'll probably have to do like a round 2 of this, and I'm sure at some point I'll have to do a round 2 of this because, you know, I buy more makeup than I would like to admit. But yeah, I hope seeing this was interesting. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.